Come on, everybody. Let's learn about paleontology together. A paleontologist studies dinosaurs who roared. A paleontologist studies dinosaurs who roared. They move some sticks, they move some stones. That's how they find the dino bones. A paleontologist studies dinosaurs who roared.
Hello, little scientists. I'm Professor Nina.
And I'm Strider the Spider.
And today, we're going to learn about something amazing. Can you guess what it is? Any ideas, Strider?
Oh, I know. Actually, I don't know.
That's okay. We're learning about paleontology.
Huh? Paleo, what now?
Paleontology. You know, that's the study of fossils, which are the ancient remains from long ago.
Oh, like dinosaurs?
Yes, exactly like dinosaurs. But you know, fossils can also be small. They could be little plants or little bugs from the past too.
That's amazing!
It really is.
Whoa, this one looks huge! What kind of dinosaur made that fossil?
Well, that's a Tyrannosaurus rex. T-Rex for short. They were one of the biggest meat eaters of their time. And they ran super fast for a dinosaur.
Zoom! I'm a T-Rex!
You look just like a T-Rex, Strider. And you know something that's really fascinating? The only reason we know what dinosaurs look like are because paleontologists studied their fossils, footprints, and even their poop.
Dinosaur poop! Ew!
I know, it's a little bit gross, but it helps us understand what dinosaurs ate.
Can I make my own fossil with my dinosaur toy, Nina?
Absolutely. Let's make one. So first, we're going to start with your toy dinosaur, and we're going to put it into the sand. And then we're going to take more sand, and we're going to pour it over top, just like fossils form over millions of years.
Wow, it's like magic!
What's really magical is that because all that time passes, the sand hardens and turns to rock, which forms a fossil!
Wow! Now I want to go outside and find some real fossils!
That's the spirit, Strider. Remember, little paleontologists, all fossils tell a story of the past, and you can help tell that story too.
So get out there and start digging, friends! You never know what amazing fossils you might find!
Goodbye! Hello, little scientists. What? There's something green behind me? And it's coming at me really, really fast? What is it? Uh-oh. That's a crocodile! I'm kind of scared of crocodiles. But even though they're scary, there's something really, really fascinating about them. Crocodiles are the closest living animals to dinosaurs! That's why a crocodile kind of looks like a dinosaur. But how does a baby crocodile turn into a big, scary crocodile? Let's find out. Big crocodiles are scary. They first start off as eggs, just like a chicken starts off as an egg. Then, after enough time's passed, they hatch out of those eggs so they can start living their life. After some time, they turn into cute baby crocodiles. And finally, they grow bigger and bigger and bigger until they're adult crocodiles, which are really big and fast. That was fun. Hello, little scientists. Let's sing. The itsy bitsy scientist sat down and took a look. She wrote down what happened in her notebook. She wrote down what she saw with her super special pen, so the itsy bitsy scientist could do it all again. Hello, little paleontologists. Are you ready to dig into the past and uncover some amazing secrets from ancient life? Today, We're going on a fossil hunt, and we're going to learn about all the different kinds of dinosaurs that lived in the past. Who's excited?
Me. I'm excited.
So first, we need to use some very special tools. We need to use a shovel so that we can dig up some dirt. And then we need to use a brush so we can very carefully sweep away the sand without breaking the fossils.
I'm so excited. Let's get digging.
All right, little explorers. First, we have to find our fossils. So we're going to use a shovel and a bucket to remove some sand. I think we're getting near a fossil. Okay, so now that we're near a fossil, I'm going to use this brush to wipe away the sand without breaking the fossil.
Oh boy, look, we found something.
We did! It's a Parasaurolophus bone.
Wow, isn't that the dinosaur that made a trumpet-like sound to talk?
Great job, Strider. It is. And guess what? It was a pretty large plant eater and had about 1,000 teeth. Can you imagine 1,000 teeth?
Wow, that's a lot of teeth.
That is a lot of teeth. Let's keep digging. Whoa! It's a Triceratops! Do you know how it got its name?
I do. It's because tri means 3, and there are 3 horns on its head.
Great job, Strider! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3! Let's dig some more.
Wow, I know this one. This is a Brachiosaurus. It has a long neck to eat leaves, kind of like a giraffe.
That's right, Strider. And guess what? They were really big and heavy. Paleontologists think that these dinosaurs weighed more than 4 elephants combined.
Wow, that's super big.
It is. Okay, little paleontologists. I think you guys can help me out with this one. What is it? That's right! It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex for short.
That's my favorite dinosaur. Did you know that his name means tyrant lizard? Because it was the meanest dinosaur? It even ate other dinosaurs for breakfast.
It did eat other dinosaurs for breakfast, but that's because it's a carnivore. That means it needs other meat to grow big and strong. And you know, a lot of dinosaurs were carnivores, but the T-Rex just happened to be the biggest one.
Yeah.
Today, we found all different kinds of dinosaur fossils.
I loved learning about fossils with you, Nina. And you too, friends. Keep exploring, and maybe one day you can go on your own fossil dig.
That's right, Strider. And remember, every time you dig, explore, and ask questions, you're like a real paleontologist. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I can't wait to see you on our next scientific adventure.
Bye-bye, little paleontologists. Keep digging for fun.
We're gonna see with our eyes, smell with our nose, hear with our ears, and touch with those. What are they? They're hands. So what do we see with our eyes? Well, I see that it's brown, and it has 1, 2 legs, and how many arms? Count with me. 1, 2 arms! And they're kind of tiny. Now, what do we smell with our nose? I don't smell anything. And what do we hear with our ears? Whoa! That was a big roar! Now, what do we feel with our hands? Oh, it's very soft and plush. So what is it? That's right! It's a T-Rex toy! Good job! I had so much fun learning about paleontology with you today. If you want to go on more scientific adventures with me, please subscribe. And until next time, remember, Always be curious, little paleontologists. Goodbye!